Good morning, everyone. I made this video to show you how to solve the science guide. And remember, I assigned you to work on that guide on Monday, I believe. So, however, to make sure everyone has the same answers, because this may be considered for an evaluation, I am going to share the answers with you guys. So go ahead and double check your answers and fix any mistakes that you may have. Okay. So first of all, I am going to share my screen to. Okay, let me see over here. I have the document over here. This is the chapter assessment, right? Let me minimize this. All right. So the chapter assessment, the instructions say review and science concepts, multiple choice, and circle the letter of the answer that best completes the statement or answers the question. We are going to choose the best answer. Okay. Number one says, what are adaptations? And we have four options. Letter A, sperm cells and egg cells uniting to form a fertilized egg. Letter B, inherited traits that help organisms survive in their environment. Letter C, behaviors that are not instinctive. And letter D, two genes working together to determine a trait. Well, for this particular case, the answer is obviously the letter uh, C, the letter C, behaviors that are not instinctive. If you have something different, please go ahead and fix it up. Give me 1 second. I am going to, all right. So it's going to be letter C, okay? Letter 2, it says, which of these is a basic need of an animal? Letter A, food. Letter B, water. Letter oxygen. Letter C, oxygen. And letter D, all of the above. Obviously, food, water, and oxygen are basic needs of an animal. So the answer will be letter D, which is this one, all of the above. All right. So we are going to move. We are going to move to the next section. All right. We are going to move to numbers 3 and 4. All right. Number 3 says a bee's dancing is an example of A. Letter A, behavioral adaptation. Letter B, structural adaptation. Letter C, learned responses. Letter D, defense against enemies. It is obviously letter A. It is a behavioral adaptation. Okay. Now number 4. It says which animal uses its gills to strain food particles out of the water. So that's gonna be, well, letter A says a barracuda, letter B says a sea slug, letter C says a clam, and letter D says a cormorant. Okay, in this case, the answer is going to be a clam, okay? So it's gonna be letter C. Now, number 5 says, what is the benefit to the octopus of shooting out water in a fast jet? Letter A, it helps to get food for the octopus. Letter B, it allows the octopus to get water. Letter C, it helps to eliminate waste. Letter D, it helps the octopus to move away quickly. Okay, it's obviously the letter D. And this adaptation helps the octopus to move away quickly. Okay, hope you guys fixed your mistakes or double checked what you had done. Okay, let's move to number 6. Okay, what is the main function performed by the skin of a deer? All right, we have four options as well. Letter A says it prevents the deer from dying out, which is actually drying out. It prevents the deer from drying out. Letter B, it helps the deer maintain its shape. Letter C, it helps the deer move. And letter D, it supports the deer's weight. It is letter A, it prevents the deer from drying out. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Now let's move to number 7. Okay. Number 7. We're going to do number 7, number 8, and number 9. Okay. Number 7 says a small tail and ears, hairy paws, and a fat layer help the polar bear because they allow the bear to letter A, drink less, letter B, stay warm, letter C, eat less, and letter D, find a mate. And it's obviously letter B, stay warm. If the ears and the tail are small, the bear will obviously lose less energy. So when trying to stay warm, it'll use less energy. All right. Number 8, some desert plants like the barrel cactus obtain water. And letter A, only at night. Letter B, through shallow roots that quickly absorb whatever rain falls. Letter C, by speeding up photosynthesis. Letter D, by producing more chlorophyll. It is letter B. This type of cactus um, has a type of shallow roots that help the cactus to absorb the whatever rain falls. Okay. So number 9, how does the ermines have a white fur help it in the winter? Letter 8, letter A, I'm sorry, it keeps the ermine warm. Letter B, it hides the ermine from predators. Letter C, it allows the ermine to hunt prey undetected. And letter D, all of the above. All right, so it's all of the above, considering that it helps this animal to keep warm, and when it becomes white, it can also hide from the predators, and it can also hide to hunt some prey as well. All right. So we are almost at the end. Let me see. We are going to move to numbers 10, 11, and 12. All right. Okay. Number 10 says new variations in a species are due to. Letter A says mutations. Letter B says dominant genes. Letter C, recessive genes. Letter D, selective breeding. Okay, so that is due to mutations. Okay, so it's going to be letter A over here. All right, number 11. In the late 1800s, most peppered moths living in parts of England with serious air pollution had. Letter A, solid white wings. Letter B, wings speckled with black. Letter C, dark wings. Letter D, colorful wings. The answer is letter B, which is, I'm sorry, it's not letter, it's letter C, dark wings. All right. So it's going to be, hold on, give me 1 second. It's going to be letter C, dark winds. And the last one, number 12, why might woolly mammoths have become extinct? Letter A, they did not become adapted. Letter B, they could no longer attract mates. Letter C, they could no longer care for their young. Letter D, all of the above. Okay, so in this case, it's going to be letter A, they did not become adapted. Okay, so just to wrap up, we are going to make sure you have all the answers correct. So for number 1, it'll be letter C. For number 2, it'll be letter D. For number 3, it'll be letter A. For number 4, it'll be letter C. For letter number 5, I'm sorry, it'll be letter D. For number 6, it'll be letter A. For number 7, it'll be letter B. For number 8, it'll be letter B. For number 9, it'll be letter D. And for number 10, it'll be letter A. For number 11, it's going to be letter C. And for number 12, it's going to be letter A. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this video is going to help you out fixing your mistakes or making sure that you have all the answers correct, because like I said before, this is going to be an evaluation later on. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.